can't get the, clean them. Oh, you want to run out there and get me a garlic? Chicken stock. This is, took a whole chicken, whenever the carcass was left over. Got the filter in there. So you boil that down, skin, whatever's left over, bones, everything, with some basil leaves. You boil it down and I freeze it, the stock itself underneath when it's done, if you can see all that liquid. For the I'll freeze it for the winter for soup. A lot of people don't like the skin. Timmy loves the skin. So he likes it chunky, his sauce. So I leave the skin on. So a lot of people don't like it. You can bake them, broil them, do what you want to get the skin off and then make the sauce. But he loves the skin on. So I actually prefer the skin off, but I do what he likes. So he likes the skin. And there's no perfect way of cutting them. I mean, a lot of people cut them a perfect way to put them in the... I just cut them, throw them in. They're all going to get all mushed. So I'm making sauce here for winter. Get these little ends. The dogs love them. Well, maybe. And I'll fill this whole pot up with all the tomatoes I can fit in there and let it cook all day. And then cool down. I'll package it up and put it in the freezer. I prefer the freezer because instead of canning it, because my sauce doesn't last long in this house. So just take it out of the freezer and just pop it in the pot. Heat it up, and there you have it. You can do whatever you want with it. So, it smells good too. It's like a perfect tomato. Here, let me see. That's a perfect, get a big one. Perfect tomato sandwich. Tomato. Look at that. Get one of those and you slice them up for a tomato sandwich. Salt, pepper, mayo. You slice them. Here, let me find a nice one. You slice into it. Oh, look at that. That's a nice. Here. Look at that. Look at that. That's nice. Even with a piece of steak. actually on the side of a piece of steak, but we're putting it in here, so it's gonna be nice to start. It's the inside of it.
When we go to Walmart, I'm not going to Walmart anymore either.
Just marinara sauce.
Boy, Tabitha, you're getting a tan.
That's not fair.
Yeah, but
I
there's no
did.
need because
Oh,
the
the
water
juice, yeah.
is in the tomato.
Wow, you two are working hard.
And watch.
I don't know anything about that.
Watermelon tomatoes.
What do they taste like? I mean, like normal tomatoes? Why they so like
They're
dark on
chocolate?
top?
They're all different. They're just all different. There's ugly tomatoes. There's beers. Nice, right?